Anyone is speaking, I can't hear anyone.
Oh, sorry, I was muted myself. Sorry. I mean, up to where do you catch me actually?
You are recording a session that time only.
Okay, sorry. Okay, now you have your CMDB, guys. Okay, you have your CMDB. Just give me a share. I think you can view my screen now.
Yes, visible.
Okay, now you have your CMDB. Okay, in the CMDB, if you could see, you can have all these type of devices: computer, network switches, printers, storages, end user devices, applications, asset information, relationship, everything you're having. Now, every day you can't go and upload your Excel sheets within that. You need some of the dynamic way every day to check all your devices. That is where you go for discovery at first. Okay. Discovery, this guy will run on the device every day. Every day, this will check all their physical devices is properly seeding the data within ServiceNow CMDB. If there is any issue occurs in the sense, it will be get captured in the ECCQ or somewhere else. Then we have to go and debug why this particular device doesn't give a proper data to us, why it is duplicated, why partially the fields has been populated. So all these type of issues or investigations you can do through a discovery. Okay. To seed the data within ServiceNow. Okay. In CMDB, we have different techniques for different devices. For example, if it is Windows device in a sense, first you have to put the Windows credential and then you have to start your discovery for Windows. Same way for Linux, switches, routers, everything has a own credential methodology and a discovery methodology. That is what you will be learning in this training sessions. Fine, guys. I think you people can able to follow me on this one.
Prashi, can I ask one question?
Yes, please.
Is it from load data we load that CMDB in Excel, or it's like a different pattern to loading the data in CMDB? I do have experience in loading data from a load data option.
Load data option you can do. Okay. Through discovery also you can able to do that.
Okay.
Okay. Discovery is the main one for us to load the data.
I never done it.
Hey, we have service mapping to load data within ServiceNow. We have other technologies also like third-party data sources we have, right? SQL servers we have, SCCM we have, Ivanti. These are some of the third-party in a sense, third-party system CMDB source. From there also we can bring our network device data over here.
Okay, what is the best practice here, Prachi? Is it discovery?
Discovery, I could say, because that is ServiceNow's own product. And daily you can do that job. Daily you can monitor your devices.
Okay.
That is the actual concept over here. But still it for the organization perspective, I can't assure you that many organization used to migrate from SCCM to over here, but still they will keep their SCCM in up. Okay.
Yeah.
So because they have Azure as a common login, they need something to be done in SCCM also. So most probably try to follow your organization methodologies, what they actually do and how they do the process.
Okay.
Yeah. So the next and foremost thing, we have to try to catch up with our CMDB. So now you see you can consolidating your CI data into a single configuration management database and regularly maintaining the complex data for accuracy. Make sense of data to driven business decisions and services. So usually in this phase, okay, you, usually in this phase you will be knowing about how to get some data within ServiceNow through different ways, And to maintain this data and everything, we have other tools also, like for ServiceNow has agent client collector. Other technologies has this Dynatrace, SolarWinds, Nagios. These are some of the technologies which helps to monitor our network devices. So this monitoring tools will help us to know that there is any issue, not even issue. For example, you have a CPU, that CPU memory is going above 90. Then definitely you have to take care of it, right? You have to erase some unwanted item. Otherwise, you have to extend some memory for that CPU. So these kind of monitoring tools will help you to know about these kind of upcoming changes or upcoming hurdles in our network. So what are all things we have to take care about it? For example, there are some outages. So that sudden outages has been occurred, suddenly server has gone down. So these kind of information that can be provided by your monitoring tools, your ACC, sorry, I mean agent client collector, or your Dynatrace SolarWinds. This thing you will be learning much more in the event management part. Okay.
Yeah.
So that will give you a business-driven solutions and service within the CMDB. So what are the data you have within CMDB? That is what you're going to get in the system. So what are the data that is coming into the CMDB? That data will be coming from our discovery and SCCM, multiple other ways we have. And this complex regular things for accuracy will be done by regular scheduling of discovery, regularly scheduling the discovery, regularly updating the data. And these things and all like for ITSM parts and all get involved in the CMDB. How in the sense? For example, there is an issue with some of the Windows server. Obviously, the people will come and create an incident over here. And you have some of the application services within your organization or business services, email services and all. So you may create some problem change or some other requested item tickets to make that particular services get acquired by you or to maintain that service. Some of the license part needs to be upgraded or it should be renewed. These kind of things can be managed as in business driven items or the business decisions that be taken within the CMDB. And here, if you see, and if you know over here, this part is like a different CMDB data. Can anyone tell me about the basic CMDB table?
CMDB underscore CI dot list.
Yes, that is the basic CMDB table. And do you know how many base tables, I mean, how many child tables we have within CMDB?
Parent and child tables, we have like computer servers and networks.
Yeah, we
uh,
can't even count it, even though new
yeah,
tables also can be created, right?
IPs. Yeah, so many are there.
So many are there. And for all these child table, you have some hierarchy also. Okay. I will tell you what are the family hierarchies that this CMDB table follows within the system.
Okay. So it's a sequence, you mean to say?
Yes.
Okay.
Like I could say like task. Task has incident.
Hmm.
Task child is incident.
Hmm.
An incident task is the child of incident table. Right?
Yeah.
Like this, we have a hierarchy over here also. I could say like configuration item, hardware, hardware to computer, computer to Windows server, sorry, computer to server, server to Windows server. Like this, the CMDB CI data also has their family structure or family hierarchy over there.
Okay.
Now, okay, I have shared you a screen of my PDI. Can you able to see that?
Yeah.
I go for my CMDB table. This is my CMDB table. I am into the CMDB underscore CI table. If I open this particular record, can you see it is open in the CMDB underscore CI underscore computer table?
Yes.
Why?
Because
I
that is
am
related
into
to
this
computer.
table. I am into this table, but when I open a record within this, I am into another table.
Because CMDB CA exist all the type of classes.
Yeah, that is correct. All the CMDB CIs, for example, how do you open a task.list? Okay, but still when I open a record, it will be get opened in a change request table. Here, task type will give you a table name. If I group by task type in a sense, I could say all my table names. See, incident, problem task, request to change. Can you see? Here in CMDB, it is the class. If I group by class in a sense, it is showing me all type of different tables over here. AIX server, cluster node, MySQL, network adapters, racks, web servers. Same way only ServiceNow CMDB is also designed. I recommend you to go through all these things in this particular website, that Gigs for Gigs. Go and search for AIX server, application, Java server, cluster node, computer. This kind of words you can go and search. What is meant by racks? You can search over there. What is Unix, UPS, web service, Windows cluster node? What is the meaning of this one? Data center zones. At least if you try to complete this basic tables within CMDB CIs, or you can go in this way also. So go for tables and you search for name star CMDB underscore CI. It is giving you how many tables? 712 tables by out of the box. AD domain, accessory. Just give a 1 hour of time and try to go through this Citrix, Cisco devices, flat search, glassfish. At least randomly, you just go through it and read those articles. Important things are all MongoDB, Citrix, Oracle things. These will be, they might ask you then and there. Okay.
Yep.
You can see all your CMDB table here comparing to over here, because if you have data in that table alone, this will be shown up. Otherwise, those table won't show up over here. For that particular reason, you can come over here and learn about these tables. At least just if you see SAP, for instance, go and type SAP and see what is meant by SAP and why do we go for SAP. That is it. No, don't go and deeply study all those areas. No, that is not at all needed. You just want to wanted to know about it. That's it. Just a read, that's it. Because you people can understand everything very easily actually. See, JBoss model, JRAM, JVAD, all these are coming from application server. This particular table parent will be available nearby over here. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, take this as a homework as of today. Tomorrow we can start our session with CI class manager. Okay.
Sure.
So every one of you have a great day. From tomorrow we can start a vigorous section of our CI class management, which will be deep diving into our CMDB.
Okay.
And let me stop the recording. I have to ask some questions.